what do you do, सबको ताकि पता चले कहाँ से आप आए हो, क्या करते हो. Pressure on men,
Yeah.
उसकी वजह से people feel performance anxiety, right? तो performance anxiety वैसे because they're always thinking about how to perform better, they perform worst.
Yeah.
Right? Sometimes they get erectile dysfunction, sometimes there's an erection but then it doesn't last longer. It's premature ejaculation.
Yeah.
बहुत सारी problems होती है. So how can men perform better in bed?
One of the, so एक एक करके चल देंगे तो अपन we'll let's talk about premature ejaculation. ना जब बहुत ज़्यादा excitement होती है ना कि यार
होता है
अब तो आज तो like you know like I'm going to have sex with the person whatever, वो इतना excitement में जाते हैं ना, इतनी hyper energy में, that as soon as the act starts you ejaculate.
Yeah.
And then
So then the girl should feel good about it, that this guy is so excited about me specifically, because उसने अपने दिमाग में मेरे लिए हो गया कि like he can be having sex with like 20 other people but with me he's so excited that it doesn't even last 2 seconds.
what if that premature ejaculation is happening with 20 other people also?
Okay.
So in this particular,
so then there's a problem with the guy.
yeah,
He's always getting like so excited about everything.
yeah, maybe he's excited about the act, not the person he's doing the act with.
Fair.
It could be he's excited about the person.
Fair,
but also
very
about
fair.
just the act of, you know, sex.
So people should not get happy or sad sad about this.
No, you should pace yourself, you know, because तुम ज़्यादा ही excited होते हो ना तो वो काम बिगड़ ही जाते हैं. It's not just sex.
कैसे इस excitement को रोका जाए अगर किसी को रोकना हो तो?
I think, you know, when you're approaching that day, when you know that now you and your partner are going to have sex, or you and whoever is going to have sex, you know, you build up to that. You know, you start exchanging whatever messages you're doing or whatever you're talking. You start building it up slowly so that when you get to that stage, you're already a little prepped. अपन वो खाने को भी थोड़ा prep करके कुक करते हैं ना, ऐसा एकदम से आग में डालोगे तो जल के खत्म हो जाएगा. तो वैसा ही. So you need to just prep yourself, pace it out. Start with foreplay, go slowly, take your time, stretch it out. You know, तो उससे क्या होगा? Your initial excitement will now die down धीरे. And now you'll also enjoy. Plus, you will last a little longer.
Reasons of premature ejaculation apart from excitement.
So now there are
और
few
क्या
reasons.
होता है?
एक तो hormonal reason होता है. So there are few hormones, luteinizing hormone, oxytocin, prolactin. ये 3-4 hormones ऐसे हैं जिनका imbalance होगा ना, तो your control would be affected and you will ejaculate faster.
Okay.
ठीक है. कुछ psychological causes भी होते हैं. You know, when you're before going to psychology, कुछ ऐसे physical causes होते हैं, which is, you know, if you have had a pelvic surgery या कुछ infection हुआ है तुमको pelvic region में जिसका treatment हुआ है, that can also lead to premature ejaculation.
Okay.
कुछ nerve ending issues, और कुछ cases में ना the penis is very sensitive कि वो touch करते ही जो अपना glands, जो अपना head होता है penis का, it's very sensitive. और कुछ लोगों में वो एक्स्ट्रा सेंसिटिव होता है कि वो टच करते ही, you know, you feel that jolt because nerve endings ही हैं end of the day. You feel that jolt and you ejaculate.
Told ki pace it out.
Yeah, pace it out.
Do you think masturbation helps in solving premature ejaculation?
You know, it is a known technique that before you're going to see someone, you know, you're going to have sex, you know, you're aware. You masturbate at least half an hour or an hour before. That would help you last a little longer.
It is a real technique?
It is a real technique because...
So if you want to last longer, you masturbate before the act.
Yeah, but at least half an hour to 1 hour. 1 hour मान के चलो, because you also need time to recover. बाकी जब बोलते हैं ना कि why don't men go for second round so easily, it's because अपने पास एक refractory period होता है कि अपना penis एक बार orgasm कर चुका है, now next ejaculate कर चुका है, now next time में थोड़ा time लगेगा उसको. That is refractory period. तो वो period का ध्यान रखते हुए 1 घंटा पहले करके जाओ, because otherwise if you're in the refractory period you won't get an erection also. दूसरा है, there are multiple methods. एक होता है start and stop. It's a very common, जो most commonly होता है कि you masturbate till you reach to the point of orgasming and then you stop.
That's so brutal.
That is. Then you repeat it again. You repeat it 3-4 times and then you let yourself ejaculate. Same with the squeeze method. ऐसा ही होता है कि you come to the top and then you squeeze it a little harder at the top, which will lead to your erection going away. You won't ejaculate.
But then if you are in the middle of act, why would you want to do this?
Do it. Then you do it with your partner.
But then you get erected, you work it till the point where you are about to ejaculate, and then you stop.
Then you do something else. Then you go back to foreplay. Like you don't have to stop the act. You just have to stop the.
But then you're saying if we squeeze too hard, then the erection will go.
No, that is another method. Start and stop तो कर लिया. फिर एक squeeze जो method है, उसमें you squeeze, because what will happen, no, that squeeze will stop the ejaculate from coming out, and उससे वो ना जो तुम्हारा जो nerves excited थी वो थोड़ी reduce हो जाएंगे, तो your erection will also come. Now you stimulate yourself again, erection आ जाएगा. And then yourself again, erection आ जाएगा. And then you repeat the same thing. So ये 2-3 बार करो, तो over a time you will naturally start to orgasm a little later. हाँ तो किसी भी नाम से आ सकता है ना. उसके अंदर ना कॉन्डम के अंदर ही there is a desensitizing agent, lignocaine. ठीक है, वो जेल होता है और वो जेल क्या करता है, नम कर देता है. तो when the gel is on the glans of penis, अब वो sensitivity थोड़ी कम हो गई है, तो again you last a little longer. And for people who don't have an extra sensitive penis but still want to last a little longer, normal condom पहन लो. Because even that normal condom से वो जो touch होता है, that condom की sheet बीच में आ जाती है, तो that reduces the sensitivity. That also helps.
And then I read कि men में दिमाग में लोगों की sexual drive बढ़ते जा रही है, ठीक है, लेकिन उनकी body में sexual drive कम होते जा रही है.
Yeah.
Right. And this is fascinating to me, just to know कि ये कैसे वर्क करता है. कि आप बोल रहे हो कि सोशल मीडिया, इंटरनेट और एक्सेस टू पॉर्न की वजह से बच्चे में, टीनेजर्स में, अडल्ट में, सीनियर सिटीजन में, 50-year-old में भी, राइट, सेक्सुअल ड्राइव उनके दिमाग में बढ़ती जा रही है. लाइक पीपल वांट टू हैव मोर सेक्स विद मोर पीपल and want to have in different types of sex, more adventure, more wild, more foreplay, मतलब multiple things people want to do and experiment, but उनकी body में sexual drive कम होते जा रही है. इसका मतलब क्या होता है?
Now that एक तो अपन social media देखते हैं ना, you see a lot of beautiful people on social media, plus you have access to porn. Now you can imagine scenarios कि कहाँ पे, like how will I do, what will I do in this scenario. So you're looking for scenarios ऐसे and you're imagining them, but तुम्हारी lifestyle और तुम्हारा खुद का your daily life is such that you may suffer from ejaculatory dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction. Now erectile dysfunction में भी क्या होता है ना, erection भी better होगा, simple. Sometimes it's also just your diseases को मैं अलग ही रखूँगा because उनका कुछ कर नहीं सकते. You have to go and seek treatment for them, right? Sometimes it's जो premature ejaculation हो रहा था ना, उससे तुम्हें erectile dysfunction हो सकता है because now you're in the cycle कि यार last time I had sex I could not last long. This time I had sex शायद वही होगा कि I won't be able to last long. So you're now in a vicious cycle. You're thinking of the previous event in your next event, and that leads to lack in confidence, which leads to erectile dysfunction.